Quick tip before you start the video, check out the description box down below. What was that fruit doing last night? It had a date. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sweet, nutritious, and incredibly beneficial for expecting mothers. Dates have been cherished for centuries, not just for their delicious taste, but also for their impressive health benefits. From ancient traditions to modern science, we'll uncover why dates are a must-have in every mom-to-be's diet. So, whether you're expecting, planning, or just curious, stay tuned. During pregnancy, certain foods are especially beneficial, and dates are one surprising example. Rich in fiber, folate, and other nutrients, dates offer more health benefits and less sugar compared to packaged sweets. Additionally, there is evidence that eating dates may lead to a smoother labor and delivery. Here's why you should consider eating dates during pregnancy and what to know about their potential labor-inducing effects. Number 1. Satisfy a sweet tooth. There are several reasons to consider adding dates to your pregnancy diet. Dates satisfy a sweet tooth with natural sugars and offer more fiber than typical packaged snacks. Choosing dates over cookies can help with cravings and improve digestive health. Number 2. Dates are highly nutritious. Providing folate to reduce the risk of fatal nervous system defects, potassium to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure, and iron to decrease the risk of anemia. Additionally, dates are rich in magnesium, which can help alleviate muscle cramps and improve sleep during pregnancy. Now, do dates induce labor? Some research suggests that eating dates toward the end of the pregnancy might reduce the need for induction and improve delivery outcomes. There is weak evidence suggesting daily date consumption in the last few weeks of pregnancy may promote cervical ripening and potentially reduce the risk of C-section deliveries. Despite the lack of strong evidence, eating dates regularly during pregnancy has no significant downside and provides a beneficial boost of fiber and nutrients. If you want to eat dates to potentially ease labor, start incorporating them into your daily diet around 37 weeks, toward the end of pregnancy. For a nutritious snack or satisfy a sweet tooth, you can eat dates anytime during pregnancy, provided you don't have any health conditions that might be affected. Consult your healthcare provider if you're unsure. Dates are a great pregnancy snack. If you're new to dates, try blending them into smoothies, adding them to salads and baked goods, or dicing them as toppings for yogurt or oatmeal. Enjoy! We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of dates during pregnancy. Remember, incorporating dates into your diet can be a sweet and simple way to support your health and prepare for the beautiful journey of motherhood. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow moms-to-bees, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and health insights. Until next video, goodbye!